After hunting, they eat the raw meat at the bush before they take the remaining to the house. These people are hunter-gatherers located in the northern Tanzania, and they only survive by hunting and food collections. These people are not closely related to any other tribe in the world. The recent research has shown that their DNA is the most divergent from any other human in the world. Hi guys, I welcome you all to northern Tanzania, a land full of hunter-gatherers. It is early morning in northern Tanzania, and the Hadza women have to cook for the men to eat before they go out for hunting. In the Hadza community, you will always find the women cooking together. This shows the unity among them and the respect for each other. After eating, the men head out to bush for hunting. Hi family, please, this comes the end of the video. Please, if you are new here, remember to hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell for more videos like this.